Now, as a full-time RVer, I tend to use my discount camping memberships to save a lot of money on campgrounds. So being most of them require reservations, it's very rare that I don't have reservations somewhere. This was one of those rare occasions. I tell you, this is not the first time a large billboard like this has lured me into a campground, especially when you can see the campground right from the interstate. I mean, sometimes after you've been towing for 3 hours, you see a sign like this and it's sort of irresistible. It's like, I could quit driving now. This is perhaps the most elaborate late registration setup I've ever seen. But I came during normal business hours and I got a nice reception at the office. The staff is very friendly here. I got a nice long pull-through site here and I didn't have to unhitch, which was really nice. There were also a couple large convenience stores and fast food options in easy walking distance. New Green Acres has plenty of shade, which I liked. And there's a playground here for the kids and an even larger playground here for the dogs. But other than that, there's really no amenities here. The pool hasn't seen much use lately, and the clubhouse is only used for staff meetings these days. But perhaps my biggest disappointment is this. Now I do understand that some campgrounds don't even offer shower facilities, but if you're going to have them, they just shouldn't look like this. I feel like at this rate, they might as well go ahead and shut them down. It's just one less eyesore. So this is actually one of those RV parks where if the staff weren't so friendly, I wouldn't recommend the park at all. I'd say this is good for a one-night stay, as long as you don't need to use the showers. New Green Acres is in Walterboro, South Carolina, and I was feeling spontaneous this particular day. To my dismay, however, I found out that I had a free campground only 20 minutes away. There was 1,000 Trails in Yamasee, South Carolina, and had I known I was this close to Yamasee, I would have gone to 1,000 Trails. Would I come back to New Green Acres? Most likely I wouldn't. Not only because I have the free campground just up the road, but because I've stayed here once and I think that's enough. New Green Acres is fine for a one-night stay, very friendly staff, but the facilities are very run down here. Now, I hope this information has been helpful to you. If it has, please do me a favor, hit the like button and also hit subscribe. Okay, that's all I got for now. Safe travels, and I'll see you next time.